to give you a kiss.
Hi, Poo Poo. Want to try some lemon?
The rhinoceros.
You like lemon?
Do it again.
Is that good lemon?
Jason, hurry. Dad, just stay on the picture.
That good lemon?
That's good lemon, huh?
That's enough. That's torture.
No, it's not. Not even likes it.
No, it'll tear up his esophagus.
Lemon.
That was mean. You're mean.
You should have seen him the first time. He loved it the first 3 times.
All right, don't
Enough.
you no.
Enough.
Right here, our second place $3,000 winner is.
Ooh, lemony squish squish.
Here, have some.
Is that good?
Have
Is that good lemon? Yeah.